If you're a Caribbean teacher who's struggling to stay organized and find a planning system that actually works for you while protecting your well-being, I'm going to show you why the TeachersRISE ThriveTime Digital Teacher Planner is the tool you've been waiting for. So let's get into the Plan to Thrive series. This series is made up of several videos that you could tap into at any time and go to any particular episode where you would need support. In episode 1 here today, we'll be looking at getting started with digital teacher planners. And of course, 2 important questions to be asked. Is digital planning right for you? The reality is you need to determine if this type of tool is going to help you to be a more organized and more effective teacher. And I have some questions that can guide you toward that. And then, of course, we are going to be presenting the reasons to start digital planning. And these reasons are there to help you to understand, wow, this may be a tool, this may be a system that could really assist me as I start my journey. And of course, TeachersRISE is all about helping you as an educator to protect your well-being. So let's dive in. Is digital planning right for you? So I know for myself, I have been looking at digital planning for a while, and I was wondering, could this work? Could this help me? Is digital planning going to be something that I can incorporate into my daily life? And I did jump in. I was a bit hesitant at first, but I can tell you, I have slowly recognized that this tool, this type of planning, has its benefits. So, is digital planning right for you? Now, in the world that we currently live in today, we are constantly on our phones, our tablets, and our laptops. You're a teacher who uses her laptop in school, who will be on her phone to check and reference stuff, who will get YouTube videos and other resources on a daily basis from the technology, then digital planning is for you. Do you feel overwhelmed trying to manage so many things? And as educators, we know we have countless things to do every day, and we have to put notes there, have it there all over the place. That contributes to us being disorganized and feeling overwhelmed at the end of many days. However, with digital planning, it basically helps to streamline and help you to be more organized. Everything is in one place. So if you're ready to have everything easily accessible, well, then this is a place for you. Digital planning is a new tool or a new system that you can add. Are you looking for ways to save time on planning? Do you feel that you're out of time often? Well, digital planning allows you to be more streamlined in that sense, having all your details to help you on your daily basis, student information, teacher information right there that can help you stay organized. You don't need to be finding this different resource, this different textbook or whatever from different sources to stay organized. Everything could be right there, easily accessible on your tablet, phone, and planner. And do you really want to build better habits? Do you want to be more organized? Do you want to keep track of your well-being? Well, this digital planner, the TeachersRISE ThriveTime Digital Planner, has aspects that help you to protect your well-being and to check in with yourself. So if you are answering these 4 points in a positive way, then digital planning is for you. Reasons to start digital planning. So I'm just going to go through 6 reasons that I felt that I can share with you, someone who's now coming into digital planning, why you need to start. So first of all, it's a central hub. With your digital planners, you have so many things right at your hand, right in one place, making your job quite easily to access and move around on a daily basis. Seamless integration. Now, this planner doesn't add to the tasks that you already have. It actually allows you to bring in those tasks into one place and get things done without an extra stress, added decisions to be made, and that type of stuff. The TeachersRISE ThriveTime Digital Planner has a friendly interface. You can get around it. The colors, the design is quite simple to follow through, allowing it to be quite a great experience for new digital planners, accessible anywhere. With a digital teacher planner, you can access this at any time and anywhere. Now, that doesn't say that you are going to be planning and working on your planner all the time. It just simply means that in school, wherever you are, you can access it. There have the collaboration features. So, as with your paper planners, we know I have used paper planners for many years. It's difficult to share information, but with your digital planners, you can easily share files, you can share resources, you can share strategies with other teachers and collaborate. And of course, digital planning inspires creativity. You can really enhance your planner, making it your own. Digital planning empowers teachers to thrive when they plan with purpose and protect your well-being. And that is why I really worked at creating this planner, and especially so for Caribbean teachers. I know that as Caribbean teachers, we work really hard, but we need to work smarter, not harder. And this digital planner is one way that we can allow ourselves to plan with purpose and to protect our well-being. So in this series, I will help you to set up your planner, walk you through each section of the planner. There are several sections, and share simple ways to utilize this planner. This planner can be accessed through my PayHip store, which I will share the link, and you could purchase it for 15 US. And join me on this journey as I empower you and equip you to use the digital planner as you get ready for your next school year. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video as we work to plan with purpose and protect our well-being.